Hi friends, today we will discuss about fixed saver accounts in UK. So what is fixed saver account? Fixed amount for fixed period for fixed rate of interest. So customer is blocking certain amount for certain period for a fixed interest rate. In my example, £1,000, 6 months, 0.8% per annum. So this amount is blocked for 6 months. So what are the periods available for fixed saver account? 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 years. Periods are available for fixed saver account. So what is interest in and interest out? So when you open a fixed saver account, you will get an interest. It may be monthly or yearly. So interest in means whatever interest calculated on fixed saver account will be credited to same fixed saver account only. If it is interest out, interest will be transferred to customer InstaSaver account or external account. So in first scenario, interest will be with bank only. In second scenario, bank will send it to outside the bank or credit to customer operative account. So you have two options for interest payment, monthly, yearly. If it is monthly, interest will be calculated for 1 month and it will be transferred to your operative account or it will be credited to fixed saver account. If it is yearly, interest will be calculated yearly once. It can be keep it in your deposit account or send it to outside the bank. So what is external account in UK? If customer having accounts in different banks in UK, for example, Mr. John having account in X bank and Y bank in his name, X bank will treat customer account in Y bank as an external account. What are the maturity instructions options available for fixed saver account? On maturity, first option is save. Save means your principal amount plus interest can be transferred to new fixed saver account. Split. Partial amount you can withdraw and transfer to your internal InstaSaver account or you can send it to your external account. Partial amount you can move it to new fixed saver account. Full withdraw. Full withdraw means entire fixed saver account will be closed and transferred to your InstaSaver account or to your external account. What is deposit open window? So when you open a fixed saver account, you will get 7 days open window. For example, you opened January 1st your fixed saver account. For 7 days, this deposit will be opened. During this period, you can give multiple credits. On the last day, whatever the closing balance will be there, that will be considered as your fixed saver amount. So in my example, I given like different dates, £1,000, 2,000, 2,000 pounds. So total 5,000 for this fixed saver account. I'll consider 5,000 is my fixed saver account balance on 8th January. Then all the interest calculations, this 5,000 will be taken for the next 1 year or 6 months or 3 years or 5 years. So what happens if there is no credit during the 7 days open window? Then on the 8th day, account will be automatically closed. So what is the minimum deposit amount for a fixed saver account? It is £50. So interest payment date option. Okay, fixed saver account, if customer is interest out option, customer has given a choice like customer can select one date in a month. In my example, I selected a 15th. So every month 15th, whatever interest calculated in my fixed saver account will be credited to customer InstaSaver account or to his external account. Thank you friends.